Hey kids, welcome to
Tiny Little Explorers.
Little People Little Adventure.
Let's learn about farm animals. Turkey. Turkeys serve as a natural form of pest control by eating insects. Cow. Cows are raised for milk, which is used to produce various products like cheese, butter, and yogurt. Goat. Goat are used in farm for producing milk, meat, and fiber, as well as for creating manure for fertilizer. Horse. Horses are used on farms for plowing fields and pulling various other farm equipment like harrows, seeders, and wagons. Chick. Chicks are used on farms primarily to produce meat, broilers, or eggs. Goose. Goose are used on farms, including natural weed control, pest management, providing meat and eggs, and acting as guard animals. Pig. Duck. Ducks are used on farms for producing eggs and meat, natural pest and weed control, and fertilizer production. Rooster. Roosters are used on farms for reproduction to fertilize eggs for hatching chicks, as flock protectors that warn of predators and provide leadership, and for foraging by finding and calling hens to food sources. Rabbit. Rabbits are used on farms for meat, wool, and as a source of high-quality organic fertilizer. Donkey. Donkeys are used on farms for practical work like transportation and plowing, as well as for other roles such as guarding against predators, and even for products like milk and manure. Hen. Hens are used on farms primarily for egg production, as meat, or as dual-purpose birds. Sheep. Sheep are used on farms for meat, wool, milk, and skins. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Tiny Little Explorer.